Hi guys, I'm Elizade. Happy new month, and this is our first Sunday in the month of February and also our Thanksgiving Sunday. Let's see how the Thanksgiving went like. I am here with
Mrs. AJ Josh.
Alright ma, so what do you understand by Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving is a way of showing appreciation to God for what He has done, or even to your fellow man. When something good is done to you by someone, it's normal that you reciprocate by saying thank you and showing signs of acceptance of what has been done to you. That is what I see as Thanksgiving.
Yinka, what do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy the drama presentation, the choir administration, and also the message.
Thank you so much, Bro James. What did you pick from today's service?
The title was Praise the Lord, right? Beamed so much light on the need for us believers to adopt an attitude of praise in everything that we do. Particular thing that stood out for me was when Chaplain made mention of the fact that our praise to God should be independent of our circumstances. When we go through tough times and things are not really coming along as we planned, we tend to just, shield our praise. We rob God of our praise. We starve Him of all that. But from what Chaplain said, that is the time that we're supposed to use praise, not just as an ordinary tool, but as a weapon.
Thank you so much, Bro James. And now that is all. So your take home this week and for the rest of your life is that every day, all your life, praise God. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.